गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ सितंबर फर्स्ट वीक, इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल एग्जाम्स, आईबीपीएस, आरआरबी, पीओ, क्लर्क। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। विच कंट्री वॉज द होस्ट नेशन फॉर द 35th फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रीजनल कॉन्फ्रेंस फॉर एशिया एंड द पैसिफिक? आंसर, भूटान। Name the winner of the Italian Grand Prix 2020. Answer, Pierre Gasly. Which state has launched the Rejuvenating Watersheds for Agriculture Resilience through Innovative Development Scheme? Karnataka. The central government has planned to set up the first ever cannabis medicine project in which city of the country? Shimla. Kesavanand Bharati, the seer who passed away, was the pontiff of Adnir Mutt. It is located in which state? Kerala. Prahlad Singh Patel represented India in the 5th BRICS Culture Ministers meeting held virtually. The meeting took place under the chairmanship of which country? Answer, Russia. Which among of the following companies has partnered with Cyber Peace Foundation to launch awareness program on cyber safety among students in India? WhatsApp. The decontamination device Chakra Deco has been launched by the incubated startup of which institution to decontaminate N95 masks? IIT Delhi. Swayam scheme has been launched by which state to provide self-employment to around 2 lakh youths of the state? Assam. Renowned Oscar award-winning director Jerry Menzel has passed away. He was from which country? Czech Republic. What is the global GDP growth forecast for the year 2020 as per Fitch Ratings September update of Global Economic Outlook GEO? Minus 4.4%. Atal Innovation Mission has tied up with which company to provide robust support to innovators and startups in AIM portfolio? Freshworks Inc. Which global institution has approved 82 million for the implementation of Himachal Pradesh State Roads Transformation Project? Asian Development Bank. Apple Inc. has unveiled its first floating store in which country? Singapore. Name the financial institution which has recently lent 500 million loan for the 82-kilometer Delhi-Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System corridor? Asian Development Bank. The Patrika Gate has been inaugurated in which city by PM Narendra Modi recently? Jaipur. The Vodafone Idea Limited has rebranded itself and the new brand name of the company is VI. When is the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies celebrated? 7 September. Who has been appointed as the new president of Federation of Automobile Dealers Association? Vinkesh Gulati. What is the theme of the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies 2020? Clean Air for All. RBI has announced recently to carry out additional special open market operation of how much amount? 20,000 crore. Adani Group has recently acquired what percentage of stake in the Mumbai International Airport Limited? 74%. Which month of the year has been announced by PM Narendra Modi to be observed as Nutrition Month? September. Union Cabinet has approved Mission Karma Yogi, which is a capacity building program for which category of individuals? Civil servants. Name the chairman of the CBDT whose tenure has been extended for a period of 6 months, 1st September 2020. Pramod Chandra Modi. Which state has announced to set up exclusive anti-electricity theft police stations in every district to address the problem of frequent cases of power theft? Uttar Pradesh. Air Scanner is an AI-based reading assistant and document scanner app launched by the students of which institute? IIT Bombay. Mustafa Adib has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Lebanon. Who has been appointed as the new CMD of Hindustan Shipyard Limited? Hemant Khatri. Lego is an AI-powered voice chatbot launched on Google Assistant by which insurance company? ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये थे सितंबर फर्स्ट वीक के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बने रहिएगा हमारे चैनल पर। हम मिलते हैं नए जीके, नए करंट अफेयर्स, नए टॉपिक के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। वीडियो देखने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच। हैव अ नाइस डे।